So, kuya, ba't ka nag-chem?
Kasi yung Chem kasi, siya yung pinakamahirap na engineering. Tapos gusto ko din ma-challenge, kaya tinignan ko yung Chem.
Actually kasi engineering it runs in our family and gusto ko sana yung engineering na yayaman ako.
Gusto ko maging chemical engineer kasi gusto ko maging taga-tikim ng Coke. Seryoso, yung may isa akong teacher nung senior high school na na-inspire ako dahil sobrang versatile niya as a teacher and as a person. At most skills niya daw na nakuha ay galing sa Chem kaya gusto ko sumunod sa kanya.
So, chemical engineering yung kinuha kong course kasi ang malaking factor talaga doon is yung teachers ko ng junior high. Kasi sabi nila nun, maganda raw yung course na Chem-Eng, ganyan, and malaki daw yung sweldo. So, yon. And isa pa kasi sa factor is, gusto ko talaga ng engineering course. Pero noon, hindi ko talaga alam kung saan ako bagay, ganyan. Pero, nakita ko kasi sa list nun yung sa brain train, sa likod nun, ng handbook nun, yung different courses nga and kung ano yung ginagawa nun. And dun sa different engineering courses nga, feeling ko mas bagay ako dun sa Chem-Eng compared dun sa iba.
Pinili ko yung Chem-Eng, BS Chemical Engineering bilang course ko sa college kasi bilang nirecommend siya sa akin ng mga teachers ko nung high school kasi nung high school kasi nag-excel ako sa Chem and Math and Physics, so yun daw yung combination para sa isang magaling na Chem-Eng. So, and meron din dating statistics na lumabas na high-paying talaga yung Chem-Eng. So yun, siya yung pinili kong first course din sa platform ko.
Chemical engineers conceive and design processes that produce, transform, and transport materials. Beginning with experimentation in the laboratory, followed by implementation of technology in the full-scale production. Chemical engineers are in great demand because of the large number of industries that rely in the synthesis and processing of chemicals and materials. Chemical engineering is not simply the combination of chemistry and engineering. It is an application of numerous areas in technology. That is why chemical engineers should acquire or achieve specific skills such as